Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Good morning, dear students, and welcome to our science class. Okay, today is Monday, and the date is 25th of October 2021. After finishing the lesson, we are going to sum it up. Please, everyone, open to page 28 with me. 128. I want you to match the sentence with the correct photo. Tell me, which photo describes the sentence? All right? Now let's start with you, ya Maria. Yes, you, Maria موفق.
Okay. When a seed germinates, the embryo in the seed grows.
So, which lesson, which picture?
It's D.
Yes, that's right. It's D. So number 1 is D. Bravo عليك يا Maria.
It's the only one that shows something grows.
Yeah, that's right. Okay, Fattuma, number 2, ya Fattuma, read and answer.
Okay, I was saying, okay, Miss, okay, when the bitch is hearing me. Miss. Okay, the female orange or of the flower is the pastel. The male orange of the flower is the stamen. Miss E.
Are you sure it's E? See, the female organ of the flower is the pistil. The male organ of the flower is the stamen. Where?
C?
See, can you, in C, letter C, this is a fern.
Oh, yeah.
Which picture show you the female and the male together? In which picture you can see the female and the male together?
B. Miss,
B. Excellent, ya Fattuma. Okay, Hala, can you do number 3, ya Hala?
Yeah.
Okay.
Okay, number 3. In order to make new seeds, flowers or cones need to be
Pollinated
by animals, wind, or water.
So,
Miss?
Yeah.
Miss Wind.
Hiya, Hala. Which picture show you that a seed or cones need to be pollinated? How they are pollinated by animals, wind, or water?
Wind.
Okay, which picture? Is it A, C, or E? Which one?
But none of them shows wind.
It's not wind only. Habibi, read it all. In order to make new seeds, okay, how new seeds are appearing? Flowers or cones need to be pollinated. How? By animals, wind, or water.
Oh.
They will be pollinated by animals, wind, or water.
A?
Yes, that's right. By animals. Excellent. Very good. Number 4. Gamar, can you do number 4?
Okay. Seeds can travel by water or wind on an animal's body or inside an animal's body.
No. I think number 3 is not A. What is number 3? If seed can travel by water, wind, or on an animal's body, or inside an animal's body. So which one describe? Are you sure?
Miss, I'm the one supposed to answer.
What about Hiya Gamar? I'm listening to you, ya Gamar. I'm listening.
But Miss, you said number 3, and I'm number 3.
No, I'm talking in number 4 يا حبيبي يا حلا. I am in number 4 يا حلا.
I think it is actually C.
It's not C. No.
E.
No. It's A. Why it's A? Because an animal will eat the seed and it will put it in another place. See? This is how seed can travel. Remember when I said that seed can travel? Our cloth, by the wind, or sometimes on animal's fur, or even inside the animal. When the animal eats the seed, when he poops in another place, he will take away the seed with the poop. So the seed will grow in another place. So number 4 is A. Now again, back to you, ya Hala. What is number 3? Can you do it again? What is number 3?
Number 3 is number.
Flowers and cones are pollinated. Moving pollen from one place to another can be by animal, wind or water. So is it C or E?
E.
Excellent, E. This insect can take away pollen from one place to another. So it can be pollinated by insect. Number 5. Hi, Yalara. Number 5, Yalara. Spores are stored in clusters.
Lara who?
You يا حبيبتي.
Lara Mazen or Lara just a
Lara
name?
Mazen.
Yes.
Spores are stored in clusters on the underside of fern leaves. Which picture is it?
Is it the sea?
Of course, it's C. This is the ferns, and you can
Because
see.
when I saw the sea, it's obviously because I saw the plants as well.
Yes, and under the leaf over here, you can find the spores inside the cluster. Okay, girls, I think everyone finished writing. Let's go to the next page. All right, over here, Habibi, page 129. Habibi, I need you to open your camera.
Miss, I can't. It says Zoom is unable to detect the camera.
Only Lara. I know, ya Lara. I know about you. What about the rest, ya Mama? What about the rest, ya Habibi Qalbi?
I opened it.
Okay. Let's start with the
Miss,
puzzle.
wait. What is number 3?
Fatuma,
Miss?
why you are very slow? It's only letters, ya Fatuma.
No,
Huh?
I'm not slow because I didn't see that you write it.
Yes, salam.
My board, Miss, was black. My board's lagging.
طيب يا
I'm
فطومة.
done. I'm done.
You have the answer key down the page. Gamma, reopen your camera. Do not close it at all. يلا. Now you have the box over here on the right side. You have the words. I want you to use the words to fill in the puzzle. Okay. Cone, cycle, fertilization, flower, and germination, maturity, pollen, pollination, seed, and spore. We need to do it very fast. Again, what we are going to do, ya Fatima. Hi, Fatima. What we are going to do, are we going to write the words or we are going to write the numbers?
You can write numbers?
Yes, the numbers next to the word, okay? So you don't tell me, miss, I did not copy, miss, I did not finish. طيب يا فطومة? Okay, very good. Now let's start with you, ya Fatima. Number 3, across. Which process happens when a sperm joins with an egg? Easy.
fertilization.
Excellent. Number 3 is fertilization. Well done. You write the number 3 next to
Yeah.
fertilization. Very good.
Teacher, when you were doing something up the page before, I rewrote the words here.
MashaAllah. Okay, let's continue with you, ya Maria Muwaffaq. Number 4. When a plant has grown enough to reproduce, it has reached which stage in its life cycle?
Germination. No, wait. No, sorry, maturity.
Yes, maturity. Excellent. So number 4 is maturity. You write number 4 next to maturity. Excellent.
Miss, can I go to the bathroom?
Okay, ya Gamura. Yes, Dana. Let's do number 5 with you, ya Dana.
Okay. What forms when an egg within a pistil is fertilized?
If the egg within a pistil is fertilized inside the pistil, what happened? What formed?
Wait. Seed?
Seed, yes, that's right. Excellent. So number 5 is seed. Excellent.
Miss, you know, I put the number and I write it like because I write it for the trust seed. Just for it.
Number 6. All of the stages. Who will do it? Who will do it?
Number, please.
Huh?
Can I do number 9, please?
We're in number 6, ya mama. Ya Lara Justiniya. Lara Justiniya.
I mean when we come to number 9.
Open your camera, ya Lara Justiniya and Fatima.
Okay, why not?
Lara Justiniya, can you do number 6 with me?
But Miss, you put it in YouTube, right?
Yes, I will put it in the YouTube.
I can't, I'm sorry, because my dad subscribes and don't want me to put on YouTube.
Ya Lara Justiniya, number 6. All of the stages a plant goes through as it develops is called, it is life. Life what? Lara just, 6 across all of the stages a plant go through as it develops. We call it its life what? Life cone, life cycle, life flower, life pollen. Hi, Lara Justiniya.
Cycle?
Yes, life cycle. So this is number 6A. Why 6A?
Miss, you know,
because we have 6D. All right. Habibi, we don't have enough time for talking, so let's do it. Number 8. Yalla ya Maria Muhammad. Number 8.
Okay, number 8.
Which process happened when pollen falls on a flower's pistil?
Pollination?
Yes, excellent. It's pollination. Hi, ya Hala. Let's do number 9, ya Hala.
Number 9. Which cell grows into a new plant, such as a fern or moss, if it lands in a spot with the right condition?
So, which cell? Is it cone, flower, pollen, or spore?
Pollen.
Pollen make fern? Are you sure? What make ferns? Who knows? Fern and mosses, do they come out of a seed? No. What has fern underside the leaf? Hi, Maria Muwaffaq. Do you have any idea?
Yes. Miss Cone.
No, it's not cone.
Yes, Miss.
That grows under into a plant. like fern and moss? What makes
Flower. Flower.
flower?
Number 9.
Miss, I know it, Miss, I know
Flower.
it, please. Miss,
What is number 9?
Flower.
Miss, it is spore.
Spore.
It is spore.
I told you spore, Miss. I said spore.
Excellent, يا بصومة. Spore. Because spore make fern and moss. Seeds doesn't make fern and moss. These are the reproduction cells. Remember? Okay.
Yeah, I said it's spore. I was like, oh, it's
Okay,
spore.
number 1 is down. Who wants to do number 1?
Me again.
No, someone else. Okay, Mariam.
Me?
Yes.
Okay. Which process happens when a small root and stem begin to grow out of a seed? Is germination.
Excellent. Germination. Number 1 is germination.
Miss, what about number 7? All of us said.
لا يا ماما. يلا يا لا غيث. Number 2. لا غيث.
Yes.
Which
Number 2.
structure is seed forming? Okay. Plant
Which structures and seed
cells. Which one has them?
cells? Is it wait, structure? Is it flower?
Okay, flower have a male. Excellent. Also, a cone have a male. But how we can know it is different? We can see number 2. How many space in number 2? How many space for letters? Huh? How many letters we can use?
We have 1, 2, 3 letters. We have just 3.
Number 2. How many letters?
4?
Huh?
I mean 3?
3. And number 2, ya mama. 6 letters. Okay. So it is flower. Yes. Flower have the male 6 cells. Yes. Number 2.
Miss Flower is number 2.
Yeah. And number 2 is flower.
I was thinking it was pollen.
No. Does it fit in cone? Now let's do number 6 together. Which structure do pine trees and spruce trees use to reproduce? Huh?
Cone.
Yes,
Yes.
cone. Excellent. They
But-
use cones. So 6.
Number 2 is not flower because flower needs an L. If we write F, the F will be on top of the O.
So what is number 2?
Pollen.
Pollen. I told you it's pollen, Miss.
Okay, very good then. Number 2 is
I
pollen.
said pollen and you told me I said it wrong. I was like,
I am sorry. Now what about number 6? Which structure do pine trees and spruce trees use to reproduce? What do they use? Do they use cone or flower?
I
Huh?
Cone?
Yes, cone. What about number 7? Which structure do rose bushes and apple trees use to reproduce?
Wow.
Yes, flower.
Flower.
Okay,
number
so this
7
is number 7. Now let's see the answers.
Yay! Germination, fertilization, mature, seed.
Miss, we write all of them.
If you finish writing the numbers next to the words, no, that's it.
I already wrote all the numbers.
Miss, you know, I read the numbers and the answers. Both of them.
I wrote this one too.
Okay, go to number 3 in page 130. Circle the structures that plant use to reproduce. What do plants use to reproduce?
Oh, I know.
Let's circle them together. Do they use the leaf to reproduce?
No.
No. Do they use the roots to reproduce?
No.
What about the flowers?
No.
What about the cone?
Yes. Is it?
Only the cone? They use the cone to reproduce, to make new plants. They use only the cones, or what else? What else?
Flower.
A flower. Excellent. Not this one. Huh?
The other one.
Yes, the other one.
Miss, we circle.
Yes, please circle the flower and the cone. Okay, Habibi, this is everything for today. We finished for today. Yeah, Alhamdulillah. Tomorrow we are going to have a new lesson. So see you tomorrow, inshallah. Bye-bye, everyone.
Can you go to page 127? Can you go to page 127? Can you go to page 127?